Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start the sleeping school in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the sleep school button. And to start it, just simply click on the start button. And from now on, you will receive emails on training programs within this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.